before you spend another rupee on expensive creams or beauty products. Stop. Because the glow you're searching for, the confidence you want, the freshness you dream of, it's already built into the Sunnah. These are the beauty secrets no brand will ever tell you, but Allah has gifted them to every believer. Stay with me, because the glow that comes from the Sunnah, no product on earth can match it. Wudu is not just a physical cleansing, it is a spiritual polishing of the heart and face. Every drop of water washes away not only dirt, but stress, heaviness, and minor sins. The Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alayhi Wasallam taught us that on the Day of Judgment, his ummah will be recognized by the shining light on their faces and limbs from making wudu. That same spiritual glow reflects even in this world. When you wash your face with intention, your skin feels refreshed, your heart feels lighter, and your mind becomes clearer. Wudu hydrates the skin naturally, improves circulation, and reduces emotional tension. The cold water revives the body, while the dhikr of Bismillah calms the soul. People who make frequent wudu often have a peaceful, radiant, and youthful appearance, because purity brings light. This is no beauty cream can replicate, because it comes from Allah. Make wudu a habit, not just for prayer, but for clarity, calmness, and the Noor that purifies both the inside and the outside. Miswak is one of the forgotten sunnahs that carries incredible physical and spiritual benefits. The Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alayhi Wasallam used it regularly, praising it for purifying the mouth and pleasing Allah. Modern research confirms that miswak contains natural antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and whitening properties. It strengthens the gums, reduces plaque, freshens breath, and prevents tooth decay without harsh chemicals. But miswak is more than hygiene. It's a spiritual practice. Every time you use it with the intention of following the sunnah, you gain reward, purification, and closeness to Allah. Miswak also increases a sense of discipline and mindfulness, reminding the believer of cleanliness and dignity. The natural fibers stimulate blood flow in the gums and give a natural freshness that even expensive products cannot match. A person who uses miswak regularly not only maintains oral health, but also carries a sunnah-infused glow of purity and cleanliness. It's a small habit with massive blessings. The Sunnah diet isn't just about what you eat, it's about how you eat. The Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alayhi Wasallam taught us to fill the stomach with 1/3 food, 1/3 water, and 1/3 left empty. This simple practice prevents overeating, heaviness, and laziness. Foods like dates, honey, black seeds, barley, olives, and milk provide natural nutrition and balanced energy. These foods strengthen the immune system, improve digestion, and maintain emotional stability. The Sunnah diet also encourages moderation, gratitude, and mindful eating. When you eat with intention, you gain more barakah in your meals and more energy throughout the day. A light body leads to a clear mind, better sleep, smoother skin, and emotional calmness. The Sunnah lifestyle prevents the bloating, fatigue, and sluggishness caused by modern eating habits. Following the Sunnah diet is not just healthy, it beautifies the body, sharpens the mind, and uplifts the soul. Waking up early is one of the most powerful sunnahs for transforming both your appearance and your soul. Fajr time carries blessings, tranquility, and a special light that settles on the believer's face. When you begin your day with prayer, dhikr, and fresh air, your mind becomes sharper, your mood becomes lighter, and your face gains a natural radiance. After Fajr, the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alayhi Wasallam will remain in remembrance, something that brings emotional stability and mental clarity. Morning sunlight provides essential vitamin D, improves skin health, balances hormones, and boosts energy for the entire day. Early rising also reduces stress, prevents laziness, and increases productivity. People who wake up for Fajr have a unique glow because they start their day in the presence of angels and the mercy of Allah. A strong morning routine shapes your entire life, giving you beauty, strength, and spiritual freshness. Your face reflects the condition of your heart. A person who engages in dhikr regularly carries a calmness and soft glow that cannot be faked. Dhikr removes heaviness, stress, and spiritual dust, replacing them with serenity and light. When you keep your heart free from hatred, jealousy, and grudges, your face naturally becomes brighter. Inner peace shows outwardly. A clean heart improves your sleep, reduces anxiety, lowers stress hormones, and balances your emotions, all of which directly affect your appearance. Dhikr increases circulation, relaxes the muscles of the face, and brings an inner shine that no makeup can reproduce. Noor comes from connection to Allah. When your heart is pure and your tongue is moist with remembrance, your entire presence becomes radiant. Kindness, gratitude, and love for Allah create a beauty that is real, lasting, and deeply impactful.